TimmyKidsTv.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh hi, I didn't see you there, guys. So today I was just making some science. Hold on, let me just check. Okay, that's good. That's good. So I'm just gonna do this. Would you like to help me? Okay, let's do this. So we are gonna take black. Mom, can you please help me?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. My mom just grabbed the black and she is gonna help me. She opened the black, look. See? Okay. So now I can take one of the test tubes, put Come on. I took one of the test tubes. Come on. Yes, over there. Okay, I close it then. Okay, science goggles on. And shake. Oh, we got black chemicals. So if you can see, I made yellow chemicals, blue chemicals, and black chemicals. Which chemicals do you want now, huh?
A red one?
Okay, red chemicals it is. Open. Could you open the red chemicals?
Yes, of course.
Please? They're chemicals. Are you kids ready to see red chemicals? Okay, now we close it. Remember, the science goggles are still on, huh? Are they on?
Yes.
Okay, now shake. We got red chemicals. Now, science goggles on. Check.
Off.
Off. Now I'm checking. Check. Good. Now, I'm gonna grab this, open it. Look, those red chemicals, I just love them. Then I absorb the red chemicals into a chemical container. So if you can call it any type of chemical, then I'm gonna put it in here. Look at that. Then we're just gonna simply take all with that. If you wanna go crazy, you can take all of it, put it at first, and then just put everything in there. You're making a super chemical. Super chemicals are very dangerous to make. So they're very dangerous. You can make them by using red chemicals, black chemicals. There we go. We got black. Got black in there. See, now it's making like a combine-ish. It's like combining.
Whoa! Are you sure?
Yeah, I hope it won't explode. Hold on. Science goggles on. I forgot. There you go. Now for the last.
It's gonna be too much. No!
Oh, super chemical!
Oh my god! Come on!
What the frick? We just made a super chemical. Hold on. Science goes off. Everybody like to Žiberna. Mom.
No!
We need something. Give me. Okay.
No, you can't do that.
Okay,
what's the solution?
Okay, so the solution is to grab it.
Very good.
I'm gonna combine all these chemicals. Make a super chemical. Go out. Guys, so I'm gonna make more science experiments. Next time when you come back, we're gonna make even crazy science experiments, like like the super chemical, the instinct chemical, all the chemicals.
But for now, you have to say
Goodbye.
hug,
Hug,
a kiss,
a kiss,
and a bye-bye.
and a bye-bye.
Until next time. And don't forget to
And don't forget to subscribe on my science channel. Take this, so this. TimmyKidsTv.